Okay, Guruji, this question is specifically for you, okay? Because there are gurus and...
I thought you are asking these questions to me only.
No, this is about...
No, this specifically to me. Do you intend to ask anybody else here?
No. You'll understand when I say this, okay? There are gurus and sannyasis who have moved away from the material world in terms of positions, relationships, marriage, etc. to attain enlightenment, okay? Now, you are like any of us externally. You even live a very happy married life. Now, in a nutshell, the way I see is that you are in the world, but you are not of the world. So, how do you explain this?
You actually can never get off the world.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, the Holy One, he said, "Oh, no, I have no religious feeling. I feel Jesus Christ is a very great divine man." So, now the point is, that great divine master, Son of God, he said, you can't leave one family for the sake of God and stop yourself from receiving multiple families. Am I clear with you? You can't leave one thing for God and stop receiving multiple. There are many meanings to it, but one of the meaning is, oh God, for you I leave one family, then God gives me 100 families. Then what is he actually trying to tell me? Don't leave anything. It is impossible to leave anything because what? God is. God is. What is, that is God. What is, that is God. So, in Sanatana Dharma, Samyak Nyasa, Sannyasa, अच्छे तरीके से पकड़ना, holding in a right way is called sannyasa. So, see, for example, you have a profit when you are doing business, you have a loss. The ability to handle and look at the profit and the loss depends from a business person to business person. And if you see, you can only be successful if you have the right attitude to look at the profit and a profit and loss and a loss. If you see a lot of people, I want to become rich Guruji, I want to become abundant Guruji. Why? Because I have a dream of buying a Rolls Royce. I have a dream of buying a good home. People work for home, cars, security of their children. This is very important. So, fundamentally they are insecure. By storing insecure. But if you see the true rich people, they, for example, any great businessman that you have seen, you see, they work for expressing their potential. They do it because they know they can do it. They don't do it to secure the children's future. They don't do it to buy a car. They don't do it to do something. In the same fashion, now what we need to understand, holding everything and anything in a right way and only looking at your own part. How can you hold everything and anything in a right way? Adi Shankara Bhagavad Pada explained. You can only focus on yourself. Am I clear with the true self? Be truly focused on yourself and do everything and anything. Adi Shankara Bhagavad Pada, the greatest of the great, he proved it. Sannyasis in those days were not supposed to cremate or give fire to their own divine mothers. Am I clear with you? But then Adi Shankara Bhagavad Pada defied the logic and said that is not the reality. Am I clear with you? No. Principle is different from principle. Remember, principle is different from rules. Yes. These days, people are more burdened by rules. Remember, if you are burdened by rules, then you are called a slave. If you are dedicated to your own principles, you are called a king. So, how to create a king quality within you? Be the king of your own life is what spirituality is all about. Have you ever seen one sannyasi in the saffron robes and who is a successful? Taking saffron robes does not make them sannyasi. Samyak nyasa. And have you ever seen any one sannyasi who has properly taken the Samyak Nyasa and a good way of holding things and has not been an excellent manager of things? No. Vivekananda, for example, is a sannyasi. How can you find a better leader? Yes or no? There are any great people, many great sannyasis. Am I clear with you? And all of them have been the best of the best of the best in management, in organization, in administration. Why? Because they hold their whole potential. You should not be confused with their dress. You should be confused with the potential. You should not be confused about their dress. You should be focused on their potential. So, God originally intends us to leave nothing but to hold nothing. Am I clear with you? So the beauty is that, so if I am living as a normal person, I am happy because only normal people are correct people. Anybody else is an abnormal.